Today we are going to learn the usage of Tally software. This is a Tally educational software. This is the gateway of Tally, wherein you can see on the left hand side the name of the company and the date of the last entry, and on the right hand side you can see the gateway of Tally, wherein accounts info option is there, inventory info, accounts voucher, inventory voucher, import of data, balance sheet, profit and loss account, display and quit. When you go to accounts info, the groups are there. In accounts info you find groups, ledger, voucher types and quit options. When you go to groups, you can create group, display group or alter group. You come back and you go to ledger section, wherein in ledger section you can see create ledger, display ledger and alter ledger. In create ledger, when you go, ledger creation options opens, when the name under what is all mentioned. Next you go to display, and when you go to display, all the particular ledgers, various ledgers are there: bank ledger, cash ledger, furniture, all this ledger you have typed, that will be seen. Next you go to voucher types and you go to display option. You can see there are various vouchers: contra voucher, wherein the cash to bank and bank to cash entries entered, the credit note, debit note is there, payment voucher F5 option is there, is used for the payment voucher F5, purchase F9, receipt F8. Next is sales order. These are the various ledger vouchers. You can see voucher types. F1 to F12 is a particular option button, wherein shortcut buttons, keys. Next you go to balance sheet. When you go to report balance sheet is displayed with liabilities and asset. Next you go to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account is displayed. Next you go to display. When you go to display, the trial balance, various kinds of display menu, trial balance, day book, account book, everything is displayed. Next, these are the various options of the gateway of Tally. So this is a single user Tally software. When you press Alt F3, you can select shirt create company. When I go to create the company with my name Chetan Kapre. I create the company with the particular accounts inventory option. I select one dummy company is created, wherein I go, the inventory info options opens. First it was not there, but when we select inventory info option is open. Stock groups, you can create the stock group creation. Stock items, you can create the stock items. Unit of measures, it is measured in kilos, grams. Voucher types, you go to display vouchers, the sales order, receipt note, purchase note, payment, stock memorandum, all these voucher types is there. So inventory vouchers are also there. Accounting vouchers, payment voucher is there. And see, the shortcut buttons have opened, wherein you can see F1 is for inventory button, F2 is for date, F3 is for creating the company, F4 is for the contract, F5 is for payment, F6 is for receipt, F7 is for journal, F8 is for sales, F9 is for purchase, F10 is for the F9 is for debit note, F10 reverses and memos, F12 is configuration. F11, when you go to F11, you type F11, the various accounting features is obtained. And when you go to F12, the configuration, where accounting vouchers is there. Okay, inventory vouchers, these options you can be altered. So this is a shortcut about the Tally I wanted to say. Thank you for your patience hearing.